High in the Himalayas, where the world's tallest peaks kiss the sky, something extraordinary has been growing for many years. Nepali tea, rich in tradition, quality, and history, has remained largely hidden from the world. Despite being brewed and loved worldwide, the story behind Nepali tea remains largely untold. Its true origin is often overlooked, hidden behind the veil of foreign labels. Yet, this tea holds a promise, one of unmatched flavor, care, and dedication. But the challenges are real. Climate change is disrupting traditional farming methods while the global market remains difficult to penetrate. Nepali tea, with its rich history, is at the risk of losing its unique identity as it fights to leave a lasting mark on the world stage. Yet, in this time of uncertainty, the resilience of Nepali tea farmers shines brighter than ever. And now, a new chapter has begun. The Feed the Future USAID Nepali Tea Partnership is a groundbreaking collaboration between Nepal Tea Collective and USAID. This partnership represents hope, strength, and opportunity, transforming the challenges into stepping stones for a brighter future. For years, as Nepal Tea Collective, we've championed ethical, organic, and regenerative farming, from humble beginnings exporting just 200 kilos to now exporting over 20,000 kilos annually. We've proven the potential of Nepali tea. Along the way, our tea has received over 20 international awards in tea competitions. Every cup of Nepali tea tells a story of tradition, progress, and sustainability. We're empowering 1,000 plus farmers, supporting women-led groups, and ensuring fair wages. With USAID support, we're cutting food waste, reducing carbon emissions, and taking Nepali tea global. From local fields to world-class recognition, this is Nepali tea reimagined. Through stronger market connections, increased exports, and global recognition, Nepali tea is making waves, from festivals to international shelves. And with 1% of our revenue directly going to the farmers, every cup you enjoy makes an impact.
And I think I love the idea that we're investing in a local business and that we're helping the business and we're also helping the farmers. I really like the innovative thinking you're doing around climate change and reducing food waste. And so all of it together is just a great package.
Through the partnership with USAID, we're not only increasing production but creating a ripple of change throughout the community. Our focus on organic farming, permaculture, and climate-smart agriculture is improving lives and protecting the environment. From training programs to sustainable packaging, we're building a stronger, greener tea industry. Together, we're reshaping the future of Nepali tea, grown with care, shared with the world.